Ductor's mission is to revolutionize biogas plant economics and promote biogas as one of the most important renewable energy sources, while supplying important food production components as fertilizers in a sustainable way. Today, biogas operators can only process poultry manure to a limited extent, as its high levels of nitrogen inhibit biogas formation. Ductor's patented biological nitrogen removal process is a game changer for the biogas industry. Manure is transported to the feeder at the plant on a daily basis. The current method of handling manure is a large contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions. Ductor's closed process reduces these emissions. Poultry manure is fed into the fermenter. In fermentation, protein molecules in the manure are broken down into amino acids by microbial enzymes. The nitrogen in the amino acids is then released as ammonia molecules by the microbes. Fermented manure is pumped into an ammonia recovery system. Recovered ammonia is converted into a nitrogen fertilizer. This fertilizer has existing markets. Now that the excess nitrogen has been removed, the poultry manure is ready to be fed into the biogas reactor. Biogas production by anaerobic digestion is the most flexible renewable energy option. The biogas process is divided into 4 stages. In the first stage, hydrolysis, macromolecules like fats, carbohydrates, and the proteins still left in the feedstock are hydrolyzed into their building blocks, like fatty acids and sugars. In the second stage, acidogenesis, these building blocks are fermented into smaller acids and alcohols. During acetogenesis, the acids are processed into smaller molecules, mainly acetic acid, hydrogen gas, and carbon dioxide. In the final stage, methanogenic microbes form methane and carbon dioxide from the small molecules made in the previous process stages. Now the biogas has been formed, which contains about 60% methane, 40% carbon dioxide, and fractions of other gases. Purified biogas is identical to natural gas. Biogas can be burned for electricity, heat, or both on site. A screw press separates the solid and liquid fractions of the digestate. Water is recycled back to the Ductor fermenter. Drying the solid fraction and pelleting produce commercial phosphorus fertilizer. Ductor's microbiological innovation eliminates the nitrogen problem while turning manure into profits. The technology functions with proven components worldwide.